if determinism is true, then I could take a jigsaw puzzle, and every single time that I solve and reverse that puzzle without the knowledge of how it was solved in the first place, one such jigsaw puzzle would only have one algorithm in which to reverse it. But you can always replace an empty space with one of at least two choices. And so, as long as the jigsaw puzzle has a boundary and is discrete. So, that's the way that you can think about memory in a server. Is it a server is a set of spaces like hotel rooms, and those spaces are voxels. They're 3-dimensional or 4-dimensional pixels, and yeah. Now